What's going on, everybody? Thank you for opting in to my website real quick. I'm going to show you how this company here, which is Inbox Dollars, I have a button underneath in the video, guys, underneath this video on this page. Click on it. It's going to bring you to a sign up form. Just create a free account. They will actually give you $5 in your account. They'll credit your account with $5 just for creating an account. All right. Now you cannot withdraw the money until you reach $30. Right now I'm at 21 something. But how do you make money with this site? Well, they have offers, surveys. You can watch videos. You can shop, so you can earn cash back for shopping. So if you want to go shop at if you're going to shop at any of these stores, either online, you just look for what you want to buy. For example, I got to go get some stuff from Home Depot, so I can just click the H here and look for Home Depot, right? Let me see here. And then you will be able to see, I mean, they have everything in here, right? I thought they had a Home Depot here. Maybe I don't see them. I think I need my glasses, guys. Give me a second. Home Advisor. Here, I know an easier route. Home Depot. All right, the Home Depot. As you can see, I can get up to 4% cash back. Whenever I make a purchase, all I gotta do is click on the link here. It will take me over to Home Depot, as you can see. And when I make my purchase, I'm gonna be purchasing things online anyways. I will earn 4% cash back that I could be missing out. All right, just by using this little platform here. Also, you can come in here. They have some other ways you can earn with coupons, going shopping. Games. I like the games, guys. I usually come in here. You can even have your kids come in here and play from time to time. Let me make sure the sound is not going to be. Make sure the sound is not going to be too loud. But all it is, real quick, you just play games for a little while here, and hold on a second. It's telling me what I need to do, and then down. All right, so and that's it, guys. Anyways, let me hit the continue, and all you do is just play games here. The longer you stay on the site and do activities, you can have your kids play here for a while, or you can do it yourself, and then as you go, this progress bar will move over, okay, allowing you to do some scratch offs to even earn a little bit more, and so on. All right, and so as long as you keep playing, watching games, they have a search bar where you just search for stuff online, and the more search, like for example, work boots. And today I can't even type, but as you can see, the more you search, this bar is going to keep moving forward. We'll do another search. Maybe we can work gear, maybe. I don't know. See if it even. Let me see what would be another one. I'm gonna say landscaping. I'm just gonna hit landscaping, and so on. I mean, you just keep searching. Eventually, this bar is gonna keep moving forward, and then allowing you to earn a little bit of more money. Guys, it's a free site. If you're interested, come check it out. Click the button, create a free account. They're going to send you an email. You must verify your email, make sure that you are you. It's real easy. Once you do that, you'll come in the back office and go ahead and start going through all the little things here. I mean, it's a free website. It doesn't cost anything. So whenever you have some time available, you can just come in here for a little while, and either by doing the offers, the surveys, you can also make a little bit of money. You can also refer other people if you want. They have the bingo here. They have all kinds of stuff in here, guys. So with that said, thanks for watching the video. Click the button underneath, create a free account, verify your email address that you signed up with. They're going to send you an email. Once you do that, confirm your email. They'll give you all the login details. You come in the back office here and start earning this money, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.